Josh and Brad here at FASS Fuel Systems. We just want to talk about some of the effects air in your diesel fuel can have on your fuel injectors.
What Josh is talking about is this air right here passing through your injection system. And remember that an injection system is a hydraulic system. Milwaukee School of Engineering estimates that 75% of hydraulic system failures are due to fluid contaminants. Well, they also estimate that the #1 fluid contaminant is air in fuel, or hydraulic systems. And that's what we're showing right here. One of the things that Milwaukee School of Engineering discusses is keeping the two metal surfaces off one another, kind of like oil on a crank and rod. Well, that's what fuel is to your injection system, that keeps them apart. But with the air that's in the fuel going down the road and all the sloshing and all that, you get a lack of lubrication, so you get metal on metal. That's where your injection failures come from, or some of them come from. So tell us about what else air does.
According to Caterpillar, air in your diesel fuel can cause the plunger to come down and pack the nozzles up to 50% in greater force. If you have pure fuel in your fuel injector, this will act as a shock absorber. It'll dampen the plunger coming down. This will prevent cracked injector nozzles.
So what they're saying is when it comes down, the plunger comes down, it springs off that fuel.
Right.
But when there's a lack of fuel, it comes down and impacts it.
Right.
That's where some of the busted tips come from, right?
Absolutely.
Well, when it's also coming down and pounding on that injector tip, it's also squeezing fuel through the orifice. It's also squeezing air through it and high pressure. You just build a cutting torch. And what happens is that the cutting torch erodes away at the orifice and opens it up. You lose atomization. But what you really lose is horsepower, fuel mileage, startability, and performance characteristics like that. Right here is the cure for all this. Virtually pure fuel going to the injector as the OEM manufacturer designed. This allows the fuel injector to be lubricated like it's supposed to be, keep the two metal surfaces. Also creates that shock absorber in there, and it also gets rid of the cutting torch effect. That's where your return on investment comes from when it comes to your injection system.
For more information, log on to our website, fastride.com, and check out our full line of diesel fuel system components. If you guys have any comments, leave them below. We'll see you next time.